Hi, my name is Trey with Budget Build Cars, and this is my Mercedes 240D that I just bought last week, a few days ago for 300 bucks. And we are going to try and see if we can get it to go run. Let's go. Alrighty, I'm sure you're wondering why it was $300. Well, then you would be correct in thinking that something must be wrong with it, because there definitely is a lot of things wrong with it. So I know it's been sitting for at least a few years, probably at this point. The guy said 6 months, but I mean, I don't think that's 6 months. But that's what you get for a $300 Mercedes. Let me see here. Let's look at the fuel cap. That doesn't look too bad in there. Let's open the. Well, there's a random. I'm sure that's not that necessary. Wheels definitely. Tires need air. The steering wheel was locked, so it's just sitting in my driveway very crookedly. But we'll fix that eventually. I need a new Mercedes emblem. But let's go inside. Let's move the door up. And this is why it's called budget builds, because my cheap stuff breaks. All right, let's look in here. This one looks pretty good. All right, that works. That's always a positive. Something works in here. Let's sit in it. Ugh. Oh. Let's see what we got. All right, so let's see the damage. All right, dash 232,000 miles. That's pretty solid. Dash is cracked. Does this work? Uh, Not looking great. Everything's manual here. Everything looks to be here. Everything works. Buttons press. Yeah. Ugh, that may not work. There's a light switch here. Don't know what this is for, but we'll figure that out. I'm sure we'll figure that out. Let's see. Well, my foot is not on the brake, so that's never a good sign. I'm sure it's fine. And then whatever this doohickey did, that's going to be a... Well, if you know what that is, let me know, because I have zero clue. Well, no. Got hubcaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hubcaps. 2 of whatever this metal thing is. It's metal. It's nice though. It's heavy. The back seat's not in. That's pretty nice. It's good starting place. The headliner's in here. Let's look at the mirror. Oh, doesn't even have a mirror. I didn't need one anyway. I'm an ugly guy. Just kidding. Let's see. I don't know if this is supposed to come down. Looks like this is coming down a little bit, but there's a little door handle over there. Got some random important stuff, I'm sure. Let's go see if we can get into the truck. Ugh. Just so you know, I'm 6'6", so I'm not used to being that close to the thing. All right. Let's see the back seat actually. Okay. Well, the back seat's back there. Got some floor mats. It's definitely a brake rotor. I don't think I've ever seen this on a brake rotor. Yeah. I'm sure that's worth at least $1.50 at the scrapyard. I'm trying to see if we can get this trunk to open. It will not. Maybe go try to grab the key. Give me 1 second. Alright, got the key. Let's see if it will open now. don't know how to open these. Oh. Oh. Hmm. What is it? I'll be right back. I'm going to try to figure out how to open this trunk. I'm a genius. Figured out how to open the trunk by using Google. All right, so this is how you do it. Like I said, I had to Google it because I'm just like, whoop. Up, you got to keep going, and then you push, and then it opens. And we have a brake caliper here. Hey, it's the rest of that. That was good at horseshoes. Let me see. Looks like the jack actually looks really clean, honestly. It's kind of nice. All right, so there's missing a brake caliper. Which one is it? I think we found it. I don't know if you can see in there. There's no caliper. That looks like that may be it. All right, well, that's issue number one. All right, well, let's pop the trunk. Or let's pop the hood. How do I do that? That felt as solid as you can. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. One of my favorite things about these old Mercedes is how the door closes. It's just so solid. Watch out. Oh. Oh. You hear that? Nice. And it's not like the car's like really bad shape. It just looks like it needs a good clean. Get the, the SpongeBob barnacles off. It doesn't seem to be a whole lot of rust on it. And it has some areas. A bit right there. Right there, I'm gonna open up the doors. The doors still look pretty good-ish, maybe. I don't know. I'll just be out here talking, I'll just be honest with you. There's no real rust. Nothing major. Definitely gonna have to wash that off. But first we need to move it. See here. See if the hood will come up. Alright. Oh. That was not part of what's supposed to happen. So let's see here. You see? I don't know if you can see in there. Right there. I need that little piece. Ugh. Well, this is going great. This first video on YouTube is going great. I had to walk inside. That one hurt. So this is the end of the first video. I'm going to have the next video up soon. Maybe a few days. Well, alright. That's Budget Build Cars. Episode 1. Mercedes 240D.